Guys, I'm trying to catch a fish here at a small dam. Um, yeah, it's this time of the year after Christmas. There's no food, and Papa need to catch fish for the house. Um, but the fish doesn't want to fucking bite. Lost one, and now it's quiet. So yeah, I'm sitting, and the family are waiting. So Mama can make us some food for tonight. Um, like it, share it, and put a comment in what must I use, because this fish doesn't want to bite at all. Alright, or I lose some hooks here at the small dam, and I'm getting very, very, very frustrated. Okay, enjoy. See you later. Bye.